Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here for another Stock Lock Sunday. Continuing on my series of Ace solid brass padlocks. Well, last week we looked at the 1-inch 25mm padlock. I thought maybe it might have some spools in it because it dropped a couple of pins here and there. So we'll see if the next size up is any better or worse. Let's go ahead and grab the knife. And try not to cut myself in the process. There we go. Alright, so here's the lock. It's got a more of a master lock style keyway than the other one did. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 pins just like the other one. So let's go ahead and stick a 40 thou pry bar in there. Go ahead and zoom in because this is a small lock. So a 40 thou pry bar. And let's see here, this pick right here ought to work. This is one of the ones that Bobby Keys made for me. I use the heck out of these things. Nothing on 1. That was a click from 2, a click from 3. Nothing on 4, so back to 1. Got to click from 1, 2's bound again. And 4's bound. That was, yeah, I'm definitely dropping pins like there's spools in here or something. Okay, back to 1. Nothing. Yeah, this one's putting up a little bit more of a fight. So let's go with a little bit lower tension. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. A little click from 3. Nice click from 4. Back to 1. Nothing. A little click from 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4, so back to 1. Nothing. 2, little click. 3, nothing, and 4, nothing. Wow, this is putting up a nice little fight. My hand is cramping, so let me go ahead and stick this one in the vise. Because my hands do cramp rather easily. Okay, nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Yep, 3 did bind. There's a click from 3. Back to 1. 2's bound. There's a click from 2, nothing on 3. 4's bound. Okay, a little click from 4. Click from 1. Yeah, my hand's cramping quite a bit here, even holding it like that. Let me tighten this up. That put me into a false set, so that confirms what I was thinking about spools. So let me lighten my tension now. That's counter rotation on 1, not on 2, not on 3 or 4. So let's go ahead and go with 1. Okay. 2, 3, counter rotation on 4. And I heard 1 drop down. That was pin 2. That was pin 1. Okay, so where's my counter rotation at now? Looks like it's on pin 1. Okay, that was pin 4. That was pin 2. Pin 1, it put me right into false set again. So definitely dropping pins over and over again. So let me change up to a pick that I can use a little bit more force with. Let's tighten this thing a little bit more. That pick is actually a little too thick. So let's go back to the one I was just using. So that was definitely pin 1 falling back into place. Pin 4 is wanting to be picked again, so try to tried to force it in place without losing pin 1. Actually, alrighty. Hey, back to my false set again. There we go. That was a fair degree of spool ping pong, and I really enjoyed that fight. That was a fun one. All right. I didn't expect that after picking the little 30 millimeter or 25 millimeter as easily as I did. But this 29 millimeter inch and 1/8 fought pretty good. Really happy with it. So let's go ahead and show you the key. There's our bitting. One was super high, then the rest of them were a little bit on the lower side. And there we go. Awesome little lock. So that's what we had for this Stock Lock Sunday. Everyone, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you see a lock out there in the wild and you don't have the keys for it, just don't stick a pick in it.